Beautiful hair begins with new shampoo and conditioner by Nitro Canada. The smoothing complex with Moroccan argan oil and keratin amino complex. The long-grade formulas help you achieve healthy and gorgeous hair effortlessly, suitable for all hair types. The shampoo with dense foam and rich aroma gently and effectively removes impurities and sebum from scalp. Hair conditioner with keratin and phytoactives dips into the hair fiber to help rebuild and sustain each strand into a robust, shiny, silky smooth, and improved elasticity. 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner helps renew your hair, creating lush softness, silky soft, full of volume and color safe that is all in one. In this place, timeless beauty secrets meet modern luxury. Release your hair and transport your senses. For beauty, that's Nitro Canada.